Hi, in front of me is VIVO V20 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this Vivo. Firstly, access settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps and notifications, scroll down again, click on permission manager and select one of the options, like location. Then pick one of your apps, for example maps, and select one of these options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that maps gained access to my device location. But you can also just click on one of your apps, choose see all of Chrome's permissions over here, and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!